This is our 2008 Jeep Commander Sport. A beautiful white color. Check out that mean grill. Nice lights. 3.7 liter V6 engine. Nice and clean in there. Check out those tires. Great condition. This tires in good tread. The Commander. How roomy this interior is. Beautiful black pattern cloth. The vehicle only has 53,000 miles on it. Got a stereo system, automatic transmission. Great place to keep stuff right here. Manual down there. Got rear air conditioning. Great back seat. Got some more pop out cup holders. Those are nice. Nice and neat to put away. And we got a third row seating. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 choices for you to sit in. Look at that. Audium style seating. Cup holders in the back. And air conditioning controls on that side. So you can control your air conditioning from the back. At least for the back. Take a look back here. Let's say you don't got any third row seaters, you can always put these down, make for a bigger trunk space. We got a rear wheel spare tire on the bottom. So if you're interested in this vehicle, you can dial 956-447-6384. Visit us at Payne Mission or check out the website at www.payneautogroup.com for this beautiful Jeep Commander.